Hello guys, in this video I will talk about how will you able to make your Phonepe account. By making your Phonepe account, you can send money, receive money from anyone in your bank account. Let's see. If you want to open Phonepe account, then you should check out this description link, and I given link in the description box. When you click link these links, then you go to Play Store and please download Phonepay application from that. And after download, you see the this type of interference. Here you should type your mobile number. Here you should type only those mobile number, that mobile number should be linked to your bank account. So after putting here your mobile number, you should press proceed button and continue to move forward. And here allow Phonepay to access your contact, yes allow. And Phonepay location, yes allow. If Phonepay manage make and manage phone call, yes it is also allow. And this one is ready. But if you want to send money and if you want to receive money from someone, then your Phonepay account should be linked to your corresponding bank account. Whatever the bank account, uh, no matter in any bank account should you link to this. So you should click add bank account number and add bank account. And yeah, select the bank by which your mobile number is linked, which mobile number you put in the beginning of the video. Okay, my bank is State Bank, so I select State Bank. If your bank is Axis Bank, Barodara Bank, Union Bank, or whatever, you select that bank. And yes, and that mobile number, choose the SIM 1 or 2. My is 2, so I select 2 and continue. This is completed because I have already used Google Pay, Paytm, so I have already created my UPI ID. If you do not create your UPI ID, or then you should create UPI ID for first time, and you should just uh, select 6-digit number which should be memorable. uh, so thank you guys for watching this is about how you open Phonepay account. If you like this video information good for you, then please do subscribe our channel, and link in description box. You can go and download Phonepay for opening account. Thank you guys.